Hello everyone, today inshallah we will start with this lesson 3, page 503, surface area of triangular prisms. So leave everything guys and just focus with me here. Now in the previous lesson we talked how we find the surface area of the rectangular prism. The rectangular prism has 6 rectangles. And we had formula for this rectangular prism to find its surface area. It was 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. This what we took in the previous lesson, and we call this rectangular prism. But now we have triangular prism. Triangular prism means 2 triangles in the bases. 2 triangles in the bases, okay, with 3 rectangles. 3 rectangles. Two triangles with 3 rectangles. We have a triangle here and a triangle here, the two bases. And the 2 triangles have the same area. So we have 2 triangles, okay, and the 3 rectangles. This one and the one in the back and the floor, the bottom we call it. So in the triangular prism, triangular prism, what we have guys? We have 2 triangles, 2 congruent triangles. And when I say congruent, I mean they have the same area. 2 congruent triangles and the 3 rectangles. 3 rectangles. So in the triangular prism, we have 2 congruent triangles and the 3 rectangles. 3 rectangles, okay? Now to find the surface area of the triangular prism, we need to find 5 areas. 2 triangles and the 3 rectangles. Then we add the areas together. It has no formula like this one. It has no formula like this one, okay? So let's find some surface area for some triangular prism. And I will start with example 1. Example 1, page 906. Go there. 506, sorry. Let's see example 1, page 506, guys. And we have this triangular prism here. Let's see it from the book. This is what we call it, triangular prism. It has 2 rectangles to the left or in the front and behind, right? And the 3 rectangles around. So we have 2 triangles and the 3 rectangles around. Now to find the surface area, guys, okay, we need to start with the area of the 2 triangles. So here, our surface area equal. Because we said here 2 congruent triangles means they have the same area. So I will start with 2 multiply area of 1 triangle. Why I put 2? Because the 2 triangles have the same area. So no need to find the first one alone and the second one alone. 2 multiply area of a triangle, like the polygon, if you remember. So here, let's go to the triangular prism and find the area of the triangle. And we know that the area of the triangle is half base height, right? So let's see the triangle which is in front of us. the triangle which is in front of us. We have base 12 and height 5. Base 12 and height 5. The other triangle also has the same base and the same height. So here, half multiply the base 12, multiply the height 5. In this step, I found the area of the two triangles plus. What still we have now? We said we have two triangles and the three what? Rectangles. So let's find the area of each rectangle alone. And we know that the area of the rectangle with length and width equal length multiply width. We know that. So let's start with the rectangle, the bottom one on the floor. The rectangle on the floor, guys. On the floor, down, the bottom. It has length 15 and width 12. Length 15 and width 12. I'm talking about the triangle on the bottom, on the floor. So 12 multiply or 15 multiply 12. So here 15 multiply 12 plus. I found the two triangles and the bottom one. Now I want to find the triangle which is on the beside one. The beside one. Here. I have width 5, but how much it is length? Its length is the same of 15. So we have 15 by 5. 15 multiply 5 plus. The last rectangle, the top one, the upper one, see the upper one, it has length 15 and width 13. So it is 15 by 13. So here the surface area of this triangular prism, 2 multiply area of one triangle. And I said 2 because we have two congruent triangles. So these are two faces. Here, the bottom, the floor, we said, right? Length by width. Here, the side, length by width. Here, the top, length by width, the roof, we call it. Now, what we need to do, we need to calculate. I'll use my, multiply and add. So I'll use my calculator to calculate these or this numerical expression. So here I have 2 multiply half, multiply 12, multiply 5 plus 15 multiply 12 plus 15 multiply 5 plus 15 multiply 13, which is 1,842. لا, wait. 15 multiply 12 plus 15 multiply 5 plus 15 multiply 13. It is 510, sorry. 510 square feet. This is how we find the surface area of the triangular prism. We find the area of the two triangles, then we find the area of each other rectangle alone. We have 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. So we have 5 faces. 5 faces, okay? So then we add, multiply. Don't forget the area of the triangle half BH and the area of the rectangle length by width always. If you miss one side, guys, you go to the opposite side and take it. This is how we find the surface area of the triangular prism. Now, in the question, they make the net of this. And we said that in the previous lesson, the net is to cut all of the faces and put them beside each other like this one. I don't care about the net, but I want you just to take a look on it. What is the net? This is the net. Here, the 2 triangles, the bottom rectangle, the side rectangle, and the top rectangle together. This is what we call it, the net. What I found on the board, I found the area of all of these faces together. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Any questions? Abdul Sattar.
Yes, mister.
Do you understand, Abdul Sattar?
Mister, I wanted to raise my hand, but I couldn't raise it.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe
Raise
it's
now.
glitched.
خلينا نشوف. Raise now.
I can't, mister.
طيب يلا. What you want?
Mister, I don't understand very much.
Here?
Yes.
Now, what's the first part here? What's this two?
Mister, can you come a little closer so I can see?
What's this two? From where we get this two? Do you know?
Because we want...
Look here, Yabni, look here. The triangular prism has two triangles and the three rectangles around. Get it?
Got it.
That's why to find the area we put two, because we have two equally triangles. So we put two and we found area of one rectangle. Got it?
Yes.
Now, do you know the area of the triangle?
No, I don't know.
Yes, Salam. You don't know the area of the triangle, Yabni? Base, height.
No, base height. I know it.
Equal half base height. عبد الستار ركز.
Okay.
The area of the triangle ما أخذناها قبل هيك، ما مرت علينا.
لا يا مستر أخذناها.
طب مالك؟ كيف ما بتعرفها يعني؟ Come here on the book. See your book?
Yes.
Look here now. This is triangle and the opposite one. They have the same area. What's the base of the triangle?
12 feet.
12. What's the height of it?
5 feet.
The opposite one has the same base and the same height, so they have the same area. That's why I wrote here 2 multiply half, base multiply height. Get it?
Yes, got it.
So you understand this part, Yabni?
Yes.
Now plus. Now we are done with the two triangles. What we have else? 3-ish.
Rectangles.
Let's find the floor. Do you know the area of the rectangle ولا ما خدناهاش كمان هاي؟ ما خدناهاش. لا ما خدناهاش. ما بنعرفها هذه.
طيب
ما بنعرف انه الاريا equal length by لا ما اخذنا. هيني بحكي لك. Length by width. Now I want to find the bottom one, the floor. Okay? See the floor? It's rectangle. What's its area?
Length by width.
ماشي. What is it?
It is 13. It is 13 by 12.
يا ابني ايش دخل ال 13 بالفلور؟ يا ابني the floor. See the floor?
Yes.
Yeah. What's the length of it?
The length of it is 5.
يا ابني ركز معي. انت شايف الفيجر ولا مش شايفها؟
Yes, يا مستر.
طيب look here يا ابني. The floor. See the floor?
Yes, يا مستر. See the floor.
What's the length of it?
The length of it is 12.
No, it's 15. What's the width of it? Hello?
Yes, hello, mister.
رد علي يا ابني. لا تخليني احكي مع حالي. The length 15 of the floor. See the floor?
Yes.
The length 15. What's the width of the floor?
The width of it is 12.
So, look here. 15 by 12, the bottom. Got it?
Okay.
Now I want the side one. This side, here, behind, this side, the wall. See the side?
Yes, I see it.
ركز. What's the length of it?
The length of it is 15.
The width?
It's 5.
Hi. Plus the last one is the top. اللي من فوق, the roof. What's the length of it? Look here. The length is the 15. The width?
The 13.
طيب. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Yes. Let's do the check, guys. The check. The check after example 1. We have check. They want the net from it, but I want to find the what? The surface area. Let's see the check, guys. أول شيء خلينا نشوف النت, وأنا بعت لكم هاي النت in your inbox in Classera. It's already there. Just check your inbox.
Mr. I'm
Now,
mute.
yes, Yabni. Now look here, guys. This is the triangular prism, and here how they make the net. They أول شيء graph the bottom, the floor, then the two triangles up and down, here the side and here the top. They figure them all together, so we call it net. Now I want to find the triangular prism's surface area. Okay, we have two triangles and the three rectangles around the floor, the side, and the top. So let's find the surface area of this one, and this figure already in your inbox. Now, who can help me with the surface area here? Ibrahim.
مستر
ها
يلا مستر هلا بدي اجي مستر بس اسف عشان اسمي يرد يمثل انه هذا جهاز اختي.
عصام. عصام.
Yes, Mr. Yes. Hi.
يلا يا عصام. Do you understand this one?
Yes.
Let's do the surface area of this one here. We'll start with the two triangles, right? So we will write 2 multiply the area of the one triangle. Let's see the area of the triangle. What's the base of the triangle?
12.
What's the height of the triangle?
3.5.
Bas. So half multiply 12 multiply 3.5, right?
Yes.
فاهم ولا لا؟
Yes, I am. Plus
the bottom, the floor. Okay?
Okay.
What is the area of the floor?
The area of the floor 7.5.
Area 7.5.
No. Yes, of the floor, yes.
The area is 7.5.
No, 12.
The area is a 12. حلو. The area equal 12. ممتاز يا مستر عمر سامر.
7.5 multiply 12.
هذه الاريا يا عصام. The area is not a side يا ابني. The area is length multiply what?
Width.
ليش تحكي لي 3.5 و12 لحالهم هيك؟
No, Mr. I say 7.5.
يا ابني I'm asking you about the area of the bottom, the floor. What's the area?
7.5 multiply 12.
طيب شو حكيت انت؟
I said 7.5 and 12.
لا ما حكيتش 7.5 multiply 12. You said first 7.5 لحالها هيك.
7.5 then I said 12.
لا. So the area of the bottom 7.5 multiplied by 12 length by width. This is the bottom plus the side. Who can give me the area of the side, guys? The side, this side. هذا الصغير. نضال.
Yes, mister.
What's the area of the side rectangle?
Okay, it is the length is 7.5.
نعم يا أخوي.
The length, mister.
ماشي. The length 7.5. The width?
The width is 12.
الله أكبر.
3.5. 3.5.
نضال لا تخلينا نرفز. The length 7.5 and the width how much? 3.5. What's the area? What's the area?
7.5 multiply 3.5.
إذا شو عملنا إحنا؟ هذول two triangles. Bottom side is still what? The top, the roof. Who can give me the area of the top? The roof, guys. هذا اللي من فوق. ها Mr. نجم.
Yes, mister. Yes, mister.
What's the length of the roof here? What's the length? Do you know?
12.5.
هلا
12.5.
ماشي 12.5. What's the width?
7.5.
ممتاز. So what's the area? $12.5 multiply 7.5. So two triangles and the three rectangles together. Now what we need to do, calculate all of these numbers together. The answer will be 2 multiply half multiply 12 multiply 3.5 plus 7.5 multiply 12 plus 7.5 multiply 3.5 plus 12.5 multiply 7.5 equal 252. 252, what's the unit? Centimeter. Centimeter squared. Copy. Now guys, if you miss side length, for example, guys, if you miss side length here, you want this one. This one is the same of this one, same of this one, same of this one. Means if you miss this side and here they wrote 5 centimeter here, means this one also 5 centimeter. So if you miss side, go to the opposite one and take it. Okay? So here the surface area of the check, copy it, and the net is already sent in your inbox. Any questions? If you have any questions, put your hand. If you don't, remove it. Amr.
Mr. Sorry, I forgot to lower my hand.
Huh?
I forgot to lower my hand.
Wallah. Any questions, guys? Put your hand. Any questions, huh? Copy. Yes, يا ابني.
It's not 35. It's 3
I
only.
can't hear you. I can't hear you, حبيبي. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Your voice is not clear.
One, you write half multiply 12 multiply.
ايش؟
كتبت 35 مش 3 point.
ما مش فاهم عليه. This one 3.5 not 35 يا ابني. هاي بوينت هي شايفها؟ Else, any questions? Ask me. To find the surface area now, guys, we have two figures. Rectangular prism, we follow the formula. Triangular prism, no formula. Find the two rectangles, sorry, the two triangles and the three rectangles together. Like this. 2 multiply 1 triangle, 2 triangles. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Same. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Then multiply, add, you have the answer. This is how we find the area or the surface area of the triangular prism. Tomorrow we'll do more examples about this idea. That's all for today. If you don't have any questions, I will look out. Thank you so much and have a good day. Goodbye.
Bye.